You're watching BH Funny Videos. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello people of YouTube, it is B to the H here, and today I am bringing you a guitar amp metal tutorial. So step 1, you want to turn your amp to the distortion channel. Next, turn the gain up all the way to its max, as well as the treble. Make sure your mids are at 0 as well as the bass. If you have a distortion pedal, don't worry, as I am doing a Boss Metal Zone tutorial video very soon. As for amps, you can get a metal tone out of almost anything, but I recommend a Spider or a Cube. Anyway, this is what it sounds like. As you can see, it sounds good. Well, anyway, I hope this tutorial helps you. B to the H signing out.